Justice of India DY Chandrachud has said that the Supreme Court wants to set an example as an equal opportunity employer. In an interview with Network 18's Ananya Bhatnagar, Justice Chandrachud highlighted that the new Supreme Court building will be a welcoming and secure workplace for women. Take a look.
The accessibility survey which we carried out was in pursuance of a decision by me to constitute a committee on promoting access and inclusion in the Supreme Court, particularly with regard to the rights of the differently abled persons, and bearing in mind, the broad principles which have been set out in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act of 2016. The committee was chaired by a judge of the Supreme Court, but equally significantly, if not more, we had stakeholders drawn from the community whom we are supposed to serve. And as part of the report, there have been wide-ranging recommendations which we are implementing at different layers. One layer would be in terms of physical accessibility. But going beyond physical access, there's the issue of course, providing real-time access to the services which the court system provides to people across the board. So we've been working very seriously on that.
The government too has sanctioned almost 800 crores for the expansion at the topmost of the country. What would be the future of more accessible Supreme Court building, and when this expansion happens, what more steps are in mind which are yet to come out in the operation for that?
In designing the new building which we are about to commence construction of, the object has always been to provide stakeholder access.
What are the more measures that would come out especially for women and especially for pregnant women, because we see a lot of lawyers have to leave their practice when they're pregnant or when they're expecting at that point of time?
Ananya, one of my concerns really is that while more and more women are entering the legal profession, the rate of attrition of women once they join the legal profession is high. And that is something which we have to arrest. For instance, when you look at the recruitment of district judiciary at the lowest level, the first level in the Indian judiciary, in some states over 60% or 70% of the new recruits are women. So we have to therefore create a very safe, welcoming and secure workplace for women, whether it's in terms of having creches for women with children, for lactating mothers, which we have in the Supreme Court, whether it's in terms of creating a bar room for women. We have placed a great deal of importance on creating these facilities for litigants, for women in particular, and for pregnant women, for senior citizens.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni has resigned.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.